G'day viewers. This video is to help you if you're having trouble with your tail lights being stuck on. This was a problem I had and it's pretty easy to fix for these old Toyotas, so hope this video helps if you're having this sort of problem. So we'll show you what's actually happened here. What's happened is, up here, under your dashboard, I don't know if you folks can see that, I might just readjust this for a second. Okay. So this part here, that's your brake light switch, and on here there is meant to be a rubber stop, if you like, that when you push down on here, it allows this bit here to push out, and is what brings your tail lights on. So all I've done is I've basically put a little hex head screw in here through the hole where the rubber used to sit, and now that gives it enough to push the switch back in and bring your tail lights back on. It's a pretty easy fix. I don't know if it's really safe, but it's done the job for me, and it's been about a month and it hasn't I haven't had any problems so far, so hopefully this will help you guys if you're having the same problems. Thank you.